Let me introduce myself. My name is Sabita Fazaimanda with number student 178 from Global in Intercultural Communication E-Class. So I will explain that Rush Hour 3 is an action comedy film starring Jackie Chan and Chris Tucker as Detective Lee and Carter. The movie highlights intercultural communication through different American and Chinese communication styles, language barriers, and cultural stereotypes. The story follows their mission to protect the Han ambassador in Paris, uncover secrets about the Chinese tribes, and navigate cross-cultural challenges in America, China, and Paris. Okay, so how do cultural difference affect verbal, non-verbal communication and conflict resolution between characters? These differences that then later lead to misunderstanding. There are interesting scenes. In this scenes, Lee tried to speak more calmly while Carter tries to communicate with the French taxi driver with an aggressive American style of communication that is straightforward and full of expression. But this is misunderstood by the French taxi driver who values formality. It is known that the highest data of individualism and masculinity culture is America, which is defined by Carter characters. With his direct communication style, to the point and doing heroic action, trying to be the center of attention, this can describe American as individualism and masculinity. The difference between Carter and Lee's communication styles become apparent. Carter, with his straightforward, to the point communication styles, typical of American culture, reacted quickly without fully understanding the context of the situation. In contrast, Lee Wu used the subtle and careful approach typical of Chinese culture, attempt to carefully decipher information even under pressure. In this stereotypical, the character of Detective Lee portrays stereotypical elements of Chinese culture, such as martial arts and mystical tradition, which may respond simplistic views of Chinese culture. However, the movie also challenges stereotypes through the friendship dynamic between Lee and Carter, who respect each other despite cultural difference. The two characters go beyond stereotypes, with Lee possessing humor and warmth, while Carter develops and learns to appreciate Lee's background. In this cultural identity, Rush Hour T shows cultural identity as a key factor in communication, with both characters experiencing moments of misunderstanding, adaptation, and growth. Their interaction reflects the negotiation of cultural difference and how identity affects behavior, humor, and communication styles in a cross-cultural context. In the culture shock, Detective James Carter and Chief Inspector Lee represent two different cultures, which creates culture shock. Language barriers arise due to idiomatic and slang difference, which cause confusion between the two. In addition, different cultural norms are also seen. Power dynamics were reflected in the cultural difference between Carter and Lee. Carter, who represented a more individualistic Western culture, often underestimated the traditional and formal approach of Lee, who came from a more hierarchical Chinese culture. This created tension in their communication, with Carter often acting on his status as a more open American citizen. Lee, meanwhile, was more conscious and used his Chinese cultural knowledge to resolve conflict. Despite the difference in their approach, both had to rely on each other to success, and their cooperation, influenced by the power tension, led to a positive outcome. Intercultural communication is used in Rush Hour 3. Language barriers, nonverbal difference, and stereotypes are portrayed in a humorous and light-hearted manner. The characters face challenges in their interaction, but these misunderstandings are overcome through humor, patience, and mutual respect, leading to successful partnerships and conflict resolution. The movie shows that intercultural communication can be successful if there is a willingness to understand and appreciate difference. In Rush Hour 3, the intercultural communication between Carter and Lee can be improved by several steps. First, Carter should be more sensitive to cultural sensitivity, avoid stereotypes, and learn more about Chinese culture to avoid offensive comments. Second, they need to pay attention to nonverbal communication, as difference in body styles and facial expression often lead to misunderstanding. Finally, understanding the difference in communication styles, Carter is more direct and Lee is more indirect, can help them adjust and communicate more effectively. By applying this concept, their communication will become smoother and more respectful. So I think that's all, and thank you.